In this video, I will show you how to add business to Google Maps. To get started, go ahead and open Google Maps on your device. So make sure that you're signed in into your Google account. From here, go ahead and click on the left side of your screen. And then in here, go ahead and look for this add your business button and click on that. So in this page, you just need to provide your business name. So this is to check if that business name is an existing business name that you have on Google Maps. So click on this create a business with this name to use this name, and click on continue to continue with the next step. You'll need to select your business type. So it can be online retail, local store, and service business. You'll need to add your online store if you have one. You'll need to enter a business category. So make sure that you specify what category or market does your business belong to. You'll need to enter your business address, such as your country and region, street address, suburb, city, postal code, and province. So as you can see in here, this is where my shop is located. And so what I'll need to do is to just go ahead and enter the information into the area where I need to enter the information about the address of my business. So let's head back into the form. So just simply enter the required information in this area. Scroll down and you'll be able to find this province section. So go ahead and enter the province where you belong to. So to proceed with the next step, you'll need to click on the next button at the bottom of this form. In here, you need to just simply confirm that your business is not yet existing on Google Maps by selecting none of this and clicking on next to proceed to the next step. So in here, you need to pin on the area where your business is really located to on the maps. So just simply drag the pin to where your area is and click on next. So in here, you just need to enter your contact phone number, and if you skip on this, you'll need to go ahead and confirm and continue putting up your business on Google Maps. And that's basically how you can add business to Google Maps. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos.